It's a little, not that very windy out. We got a train approaching. Saturday night. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. How's everyone's weekend going? How's everybody's weekend going? It's me, your favorite guy, your favorite person, Brandon, my Princess and Pauline fan. We got a train. He's coming. Blow that Leslie RS3 edge of the air. This is the local train right here. Got hoppers with it. Same ones that they did over summer, over spring, over the late winter to the late summer. That's the local train. There's the local. Symbol is L344. That car better stop. The 344 originates in the L344 originates in Gilman, Illinois. Stops between Kankakee, Illinois. The 344 originates in Kankakee, Illinois. Between Kankakee, Illinois and Gilman, Illinois. Heads south to the Bradley Train Yard in Champaign. Then heads east to the east side of Champaign to do its local work. Once it comes back, once it does that, it takes the loaded cars to empty cars to Champaign. Then it comes back north later to go back to Gilman, and between Gilman, Illinois and Kankakee, Illinois to go back north. To go back west and go back north. That's a Leslie RS3. Yep. It's on this Saturday night, September 16, 2022. So my main channel, Brandon, my Princess and Pauline fan, on YouTube. Alright, go check. CN. Tracks. Nothing that way. No train that way. Alright. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Now hold it. Don't flick away. We got more trains to come. We have more trains to come. You're always here at my main channel, Brand the Mild Princess and Pauline fan. You haven't seen nothing yet. Here's the next video. Roll it. Come on, give me a thumbs up. Let's go. Give me that thumbs up. Give me that thumbs up, everyone. Let's go.